Hi, good morning. It's the 17th. I picked my work phone up. My mobile phone up. It is the 17th of June. It's a Monday. And we are rostered back on at Blackburn Bus Company. Happy Eid Mubarak to all my friends and family who are celebrating today. I hope you have a wonderful day with your friends and family. We are rostered at Blackburn today for a 4:59 start. It's like 4:30 in the morning. Yes. Yesterday was the B10 running day. Should be a video, small video somewhere, maybe Wednesday. Click here to watch. You should be already seen that. I'll probably put that out Wednesday as a bonus video. Tuesday? No, we'll do Tuesday. We're also at Blackburn today. Don't know what I'm doing. Wasn't told by the allocator. He didn't inform me what I was doing, so it'll be a surprise when we find out, which is good. So yeah, I believe everyone had a wonderful day. Spoke to some of you at Accrington yesterday on my lunch, which was on the B10 Run Day, which was Father's Day, which was lovely. Spoke to some on Twitter, X, whatever you want to call it, still Twitter to me. Spoke to some of you on Discord and YouTube and Facebook. Honestly, it was a lovely turnout, and do you know what? We have about 3 or 4, maybe 5 enthusiasts who we see around regular, and it's lovely to see them. It's always a joy to see someone that's enthusiastic about anything, realistically, even buses. So it's nice. What's even more amazing is to see all of you like travelling far and wide to see this final day of the B10s, or like the final hurrah and farewell. It's not good night, sayonara. The buses will still run, but they may not all run. I believe there's possibly like a 1 or 2 month period where they'll slowly run until they're phased out. But they're basically, that's it. It's good night. So if you didn't get a chance to see them, look at bustimes.org. Maybe you can get yourself down to Blackburn. I believe there's a few more trips available on the B10s. We might have a B10 today. Who knows? This video may age really well. It might be all about B10s. I had something else I want to say. Yeah. So don't fret if you didn't make it down. But yeah, it was lovely to see everyone out yesterday. Those who spoke to me, wonderful. Those who took the time and I was able to say hello to, the people that wanted to have a look at the 464 I was driving, which was a B7. Yeah, it was just nice to see you all. Nice to speak to you. I'll always go out my way to talk to you. Just give me a second to go to the bathroom or anything like that. After a 3-4 hour drive, you're desperate for the toilet. So I think everyone was lovely. Nice to see Edward, Brooke, especially Philip. Philip's always lovely when he's around. And then I believe I met a young lady in a McLaren shirt. I think she was in a good Danny Rick shirt. So that was lovely to meet you. I didn't catch your name, so I do apologise. It was kind of funny as well. At the weekend, my mother-in-law was coming back from Clitheroe to meet my wife in town, and she sat on the bus. She does not know I make these videos. She has no idea about the whole YouTube thing. She knows what YouTube is. We never got around to really explaining it to her. She sat on the bus, and there must have been some spotters on, some enthusiasts on, and they're talking. They mentioned my name, and she's like, "They're talking about our aunt," and she didn't tell my wife what she could hear, and she got off the bus and she was proper confused when she met my wife, and she was like, "There was loads of people on the bus talking about Anthony." And then my wife had to explain to her, I make YouTube videos, so if you're watching, Barbara, hi. But yeah, thank you very much for confusing my mother-in-law. She's a lovely lady. She's probably no idea what the bloody hell YouTube is and why I make these videos. But yeah, as always, I'm trying to leave the world a little bit kinder than the day I find it. So today, we'll go to Blackburn, clock in, see what we got, and see what this video becomes. Alright, I'll see you at the yard. So, we are on a 152 duty. We're on crew 331. And we're running board 22 on the hotline. Starting at Blackburn Bus Station, heading to Burnley. It's been a while since I've done one of these, so it should be fun. So, a part of the walk around check every morning is we test every bell on the bus. And we check all the hand pawls. We're also going to be checking that the seats are clean and free from debris, tears, rips, and making sure there is nothing in the seats that can cause damage to a customer. So it's also checking that the USB randals are all like this, basically, and they're not jagged and sticking out, and there's nothing in the randal that could cause any problems. The hotlines are X which way stock, I believe, hence why they're a little seat, and quite modern for what they are. So yeah, now, because we're a double decker, let's go and do up the upstairs. So yeah, I'm just checking that everything is in working order. I'm going to do all the seats in a sec. Check all the handles, that there's no stowaways. By stowaways, could be anyone. Anyone could have got on the bus last night. While the bus depot's closed, you never know. But yeah, all the seats looking well. Check the handles. Oh. I bet it's not done the alarm for. They've got a safety shut off after 3 minutes. So yeah, that's a 152. Right, we'll go and check the rest of it. So we're doing a Burnley first. Not done a Burnley for a while actually. I didn't check actually what stand we need to go on. So turn the lights on, and there's a camera upstairs. There's our bus board. But yeah, Blackburn Bus Station on a 152 to Burnley. Right, I'll hopefully see when we get to Burnley if I remember how to get there. Gate 4, 10 past departure. A couple of minutes late. It was easy enough. Just getting used to where everything goes, which stands to go on, and yeah, where's the turn. So yeah, dead easy so far. Hopefully the next one's just as easy getting to Preston. Right, one more to Blackburn, then on to Burnley, and on to home. Yeah, a couple of minutes late into Preston. Not wrong with that. Plenty of layover time here. So yeah, dead easy. Nice little break. Get 45-minute breaks, bit weird. We get longer at Rosso. Beard's looking lush. So yeah, good bus. I like Preston. I think it's a well designed. It's a weird design, but it's a nice design. We're on 27.67. I think. Got 4 minutes. 4 minutes left till we go. So it should be nice and easy. Not as busy as I thought it'd be. Maybe it'll be busier going back. But yeah. There's a few people getting on. College, school, work in the morning. The morning was really busy. Yeah. Barely kept it on time, about 7 minutes late into Blackburn when I was coming back from my dinner break, but no pushy. Just keep going steady. So yeah, off to Burnley for this one now, so we'll go all the way back to Blackburn, Burnley, and then we'll get from Burnley back to Blackburn, that's when we'll stop, and then this bus will go back to Preston. We'll then go up to the yard to get the car, cash in, and then that'll be it for the day. Hopefully it shouldn't be too bad. Shouldn't be too bad. 3 minutes 55. Yeah, nice. Right, catch you in a bit. So that's the end of today's video. I was just saying then to one of the lads, with Jim actually, no, Casey, yeah, Casey just saying to him like how difficult the 152s are in the morning, like mental. That first one I did from Blackburn to Burnley, I just picked up everybody. You're just like non-stop chasing your time and stuff, and then when you get into Padiham, from Padiham Town Hall all the way up to Burnley. It just seems to be 152s just stopping. Now, I know there's an M1 that goes down there. I don't actually understand the Burnley Bus Company, so in a sense of what buses they run and what they don't run. But the M1 just doesn't seem to be about. I thought the M1 was meant to be like a Darwin, Bolton sort of thing scenario where one goes to like Aki and the other one turns around and comes back on itself. I don't know. I might be wrong. But yeah. And then coming out of the final one came out of Burnley. I got to Burnley, didn't have much time, for about 3 minutes on stand. Re-engaged ticket machine, so I didn't have get time to talk to you guys, obviously. Yeah, re-engaged ticket machine in Padiham Town Hall, Victoria Street, Bryan Street, and it was just like, I just stop. I think I'm about 8 minutes late coming out of Padiham. Got it back to about 4 minutes. Obviously, the route has some time, but it doesn't have loads. You tend to like on the 152. You tend to regain your time at the bus stations. It seems to be. If you keep it within like a decent amount, you tend to like regain most of your time on a bus stand, which is okay if it's Burnley or Preston. When it's Blackburn and you're changing drivers, you've got to change really quickly. So yeah, £220 I think I took today. I must have dropped or been shortchanged because I'm £2.30 down, so that comes out of my own pocket. So I'll get £2 out of my float and find 30p and charged everyone right. So I don't know who's let me down by 30p. £2.30 should I say? So yeah, I think I've got £2 in the car. That'll do. Probably have to find 30p somewhere. But yeah, if I don't pay it, it comes out of my wage, which is one of the downsides to being a bus driver. But yeah, apart from that, it's been a refreshing day. A little bit more tired than expected. Back tomorrow on the morning shift. Yeah, should be fun. Right, I hope you enjoyed today's video. It might be shorter than normal, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.